Back him. Come on. Sit back. You got it. You got it. Right there. No. No. Just right. Come on. You get back. You got this. Back up. Back. Yes. Two left. Go.
All right, team, listen up. We're busting an underground fighting ring tonight. They got a slick operation here. The leader's pulling about 100 fighters nightly. The last one standing wins. Their leader is named Cervantes. That's right. We finally got enough to nail him.
It's about time, if I may say so myself, sir. We've been tracking this guy for some time. Is there other intel that we should know?
Negative. This is the same guy that we've been after for months. He's well armed and just has a few bodyguards. His overconfidence should give us the window that we need.
I'm gonna take that prick out myself.
Not quite. Word from the top says that this is it, and it's purely non-lethal.
Open the gates and let the blood flow. Yes, gentlemen, bet your money. Place your bets. Money on the table. Yes! Cervantes, always.
Yes!
Oh, Chakotay, looks like you've lost your head. Oh, you bloodthirsty fools, you lose again.
This is crap.
Settle down, Horn. Save it for the mission.
No, I'm not gonna settle down. I'm not gonna save it for the mission. We've been after the son of a bitch for months now, right?
Dude, not now.
I'm telling you, I see that son of a bitch first, I'm taking him down.
You're gonna sit your ass down and shut the hell up, that's what you're gonna do. We're better than this. If we were in charge, we'd do things differently. This is the way Thompson laid it out for us.
We'll get Speedy later, but Brad is right now.
Speedy is number one. This is American.
Give me your money now.
Ah, you bloodthirsty fools. Yes, place your bets. Put your money on the table, gentlemen. Go, Speedy, go!
Pull it together, people. Stack up.
Get down! Put your hands behind your back.
All right, what do we have?
We had 3, but no sign of Cervantes.
What do you mean? Where in the hell is he?
Search the room. He couldn't get far.
No sign of Cervantes anywhere?
Raymond, take front. Continue to search the house.
Where in the hell is he?
Freeze! Drop the cage and put your hands in the air.
I don't think so, Puerque. I'd rather die than be taken alive by you Chicanos.
We can arrange that.
Oh, you can? I think you're under orders, cop, to keep me alive. And if you shoot me, your cushy little world, it may as well come to an end.
Chill, Horn. He's right. We have to take him in.
You see, Pig? The customer? She's always right.
Shut it, prick. Horn, keep your weapon trained on him. Do not fire. Grinder, take the cage. And Raymond, prepare the flex cuffs for our perp.
Yes, take the cage. Take my precious little Pete.
Keep your eye on the target. Give me a sit rep.
Oh, can't see a thing, sir.
Delta Actual, this is Alpha 1, over. Sir, we managed to contain this branch of the operation, but the Tango leader is still at large. I repeat, the big Canary is not in his cage, over.
Traffic received, Alpha 1. Bring your boys home. Good work. We'll get him the next time. Delta Actual out.
Go. Yes.
Freeze!
ah ha ha. Oh ah ha ha. Oh ah ha ha. Oh ah ha ha.
See that trick first? I'm putting it in your fucking balls! Nah, just fuck it.